You get the parking here in Successive easily.
Yeah, nowadays I'm getting it. But before the COVID, when it was full, I used to park there. But nowadays the occupancy is 30-40%. That's why I'm getting it.
Oh, nice. So,
Yep.
how has COVID treated you?
Like अभी तो normal हो गया है because this is the new normal these days. But उससे पहले तो मतलब दिन रात और वीकेंड्स वीकडेज का कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा था, तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था, नई नई चीज़ें थी और ऊपर से बाहर का खाना भी बंद हो रखा था, जोमेटो स्विगी कुछ भी नहीं था.
Right.
Yep.
How has Successive dealt with the whole COVID situation?
Successive dealt it in a great way because they have helped us in so many things as we were facing so many technical issues because we all were working from home. So, but now when I came here, I saw that there are so many hand sanitizer machines that are installed on each and every floor. So, yeah, one is here and on other floors as well. Also, the IT department helped us a lot because there were like broken laptops, discharged batteries that people were raising the issue for those. Okay? So it's like they were delivering it to home. So we did not have to come here during the lockdown. So that was a very good gesture from them. Also now it's like anyone who is entering the premises, the temperature is being checked. So let me show you.
Alright, let's go.
Yep. Yeah, so here's the temperature and here's another machine that is installed for the sanitizing of everything. So
Tell me a little bit about your onboarding process while we're at it.
oh yeah, so the onboarding process was very smooth. Like on the earlier part of the day, the documentation was done, the paperwork was done, and then we were given the goodies. So we got bags, bottles, and notepads. What?
Cups. You want some cups?
Yeah, we got the cups too. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was a very good initiative and a good gesture from the company. Also, we were introduced to our buddies. So here on the first day, we got our buddies. So they helped us to introduce to everyone. They gave the tour of the company to us. So they wanted us to come here on this floor from the ground floor. So we took the lift. So we had to go up, but instead of going up, the lift went down.
Oh no.
Yeah, so we got stuck there for a couple of minutes and then we shouted and then Bhaiya came and finally we were out of it.
Wow, that was your first day?
Yeah, that was the first day.
But there was a freshers party as well, right?
Yeah, freshers party of course.
Yeah.
So yeah, hi. Yeah. You want to know about the freshers? Then he's the guy.
Oh wow.
Freshers. Yes. If you are fond of dancing, food, music, singing, and competitions, just like Mr. and Miss Fresher, trust me, you will definitely gonna love this.
Wow.
Okay, would you like to have a cup of coffee?
Yes, please. Thank you so much for
Let's quickly
asking.
grab it.
Alright.
Follow me.
Meanwhile, can you tell me how has work from home been like for you?
I'm really enjoying work from home. Would like some coffee?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Lovely of you.
Yeah, I'm able to spend time with friends and family, which I wasn't able to do before because I was living here in Noida.
Hey, but we do miss out on the work anniversaries, birthday parties, as well as the festivals, that we used to celebrate as one big Successive family.
Yeah, but I really enjoy sunsets from home.
Ah, that's a good touch.
Yeah.
Tell me of the seniors here. Have you found anybody really inspiring? Somebody has really helped you?
Yeah, seniors here are really supportive. And let me tell you about an incident. So one time I broke the production environment.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and clients were screaming because it was a bad thing to do.
Yeah.
And Sapna really took my side that day, and she defended me in front of our client.
Oh, wow. Were you scared?
Yeah, I was because I messed up big time.
Were you scared of getting fired?
Yeah, kind of.
But you.
Yeah, it went at the end of the day. It went okay.
Oh, that's nice. Can you use 3 words to describe Successive?
That would be enriching, challenging, and fun. Like this girl.
Hi,
Hi, Payal. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Payal, tell me, were there any office tours at Successive? Did you go to any?
We went to Bharatpur last year. It was a 2-day trip. We stayed in a beautiful resort, and Successive arranged few team building activities to
cheer us up and so that we could gather along with the seniors. And after that, in the evening, we had a DJ night in which we really enjoyed a lot. And the very next day, we went to Bird Sanctuary. Overall speaking, it was a memorable trip.
Sounds like a wonderful experience.
Yeah.
Tell me, if there was a USP for Successive, what would it be?
Supportive seniors and colleagues, and extra co-curricular activities arranged and organized by our HR team would be the USP according to me.
Have you made any new friends?
Ghanendra.
Who's Ghanendra?
I know. He's that guy.
Hi, Ghanendra. Hey, tell me, do you get your salary on time?
Yeah, I always get my salary on time.
That's amazing. And what's your favorite pastime over here?
Okay, the pastime, we do couple of things here apart from work. Like we have a TT table.
Oh.
Let me take you to you.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Thank you so much. Tell me, like, do you get your leaves easily over here?
Easily, not that much easily because broadly speaking, my managers are very good. But there is a restriction from client basis.
Okay.
Actually, I'm the only one who is working on this project. So we have to give a continuous support to him. So that's why it's a kind of a restriction from client side. It's not easy actually.
Oh,
So it's a cafeteria and there's a TT table. Hey Shagun, what's up man? Can I take a turn? Yeah, thanks a lot.
Nice. Looks really fancy. Tell me, the work that you do, does it really excite you?
Yes, my project is very good actually. If I'm talking about my projects, so it's kind of a one-man show. So means my client is very good, and we have to deal means on a daily basis, and for deployment, for the testing, for the development. As a means a BA kind of a work and a development kind of a work, I have to do all of that.
Wow.
So it excites me.
And you
very
are a
much.
fresher.
Yeah, exactly.
That's amazing. And is there anything else that you would like to show me?
Hey Subhashri, can you pass the ball?
Whoa, the ball matches your dog.
Well, yeah, it does.
Crazy. That's amazing. I love that.
Yeah, come on. I mean, this
Come
is
on,
the
out.
best place you have over here. So,
Really?
Yeah, you're lucky.
That's amazing. So, what's the biggest lesson that you've learned at Successive?
Well, that's interesting. You know, change is the only constant.
That is true.
Yeah.
Universal fact.
Exactly.
I love where you're sitting.
Yeah, it is.
I
You know?
love the color combination. It goes so well. Thank you for doing this for our film.
Thank you so much.
Tell me,
Pleasure.
are you happy here?
Well, obviously, I mean, you know, the culture that we share over here, the warm feeling over here that we have.
Nice.
Also, our team is so welcoming. They make everything like easy peasy. So that's really cool about it.
Sounds like they're like really good listeners over here.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, see, over there. That's a mini boat that we have.
Ah, so cute.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
Successive is all about sports, energy that you see over there because this little things makes us energetic.
So, is that the reason you would stay at Successive for a very long time?
Got it?
Amazing.
For sure. See,
If you-
even right now that we're having, the weather is so amazing.
I feel it in my bones.
Yeah.
That is true. Tell me, if you had to rate Successive and your growth at the same time, how much will you give it out of a 10?
Well, definitely an 8.
That's amazing.
Yeah, in my terms, around 8 to 9.
I'll give it 9.
For me, it will be 8.5.
Wow, 8.5.
Yes.
Tell me, what do you think about how is the way Successive handles conflicts?
Successive is amazing handling the conflicts. A few months back, I got this heated argument with one of the colleagues due to some misconception and different of opinions. So at that very moment, the seniors just involved in that conversation and get everything sorted out. So yeah, that's basically means just communication is very good at Successive. It's I can say it's a key pillar of Successive and
sweet.
100 points to Successive.
Amazing.
Yes. Oh, now it's the time of chai. Let's chai पीते हैं. भैया एक चाय देना.
So, who's your favorite person in the office and why?
My favorite person is Mr. Sumit Kumar. Whenever I get stuck or whenever I need help, so I just reach out to him. He's my go-to person. And when I first joined in the Successive, so he was my mentor. So that's it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Do you feel cared for in Successive?
Just like this tea, Successive really makes me feel cared for. Really, it does.
Amazing. Thank you.
We innovate.
We think out of the box.
We design.
We inspire.
And we deliver.
We are Successive. We are Successive.
We are Successive. We are Successive. We are Successive. We are Successive. Successive.